running it?
No, it's nothing like that. Just there might be some problem. So solution is that we need to request DBA team to restart the Java scheduler.
Okay.
So that
You will do it? Can you check with them?
Yeah. I'll do. Application is not yet open.
We just restarted.
Restarted. So that will be very fast for you.
Thank you so much.
So which one, Hima? Which interface?
It's WMS order download.
Struct.
Today you have the introduction of our order, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a festival with order process.
You'll have festivals, your forward sessions. This is just a beginning.
That is infant crocodile festival.
Yeah. Infant, very big crocodile festival.
I'll get a
No, just close it and open it. It
Happened.
will not open. Close the entire session.
We need to kill the browser and kill the browser.
Kill the browser.
మళ్ళీ రిస్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు అకౌంట్.
You write test cases for every release to the interfaces?
For every release? No. If it is phase 3 CRs, then we will author test cases. Otherwise, we won't.
What is phase 3 CRs? Like,
Phase 3 is nothing but new change requests.
I think your test case should touch in all projects, right?
Each and every module, each and every screen.
I'm talking about all projects.
Sorry?
There are different projects, right, in OTC?
Yeah, in every project.
They should,
Except this PDS, PT31, this was not there.
So you're part of all projects?
Yeah, it's part of
All projects.
all. OG, PT, PubEasy, GIS.
It seems to be your most demanded,
Resource in my project, yes.
right?
Yes.
Key person.
Sorry?
Key person. You will have key.
It's nothing like that. First documents. We'll discuss on order download.
Order download job we run after
Releasing of orders.
order, right?
Yeah. Because this file
Okay,
is
okay.
created.
You want to show something in the screen or just running the batch?
No, you'll be no batch. This for this batch we need to run pre-processing, sales crediting, pre-processing and release jobs, order release jobs. You are aware of creating order, right?
Just now.
Just now.
Created and saved. That's where we.
Yeah, right. After creating order, we need to, like, if you want to release or process that order, you have to, there are a set of batch jobs which we call as billing jobs. That is the first one. Let's start with a sales crediting job and then order pre-processing and then after order release.
So you are explaining after once the order is created, then what is the next process? Now you are explaining.
Yeah, how order flows to WMS
WMS.
or outside warehouse.
Outside warehouse.
Yeah. Outside warehouse is nothing but the orders which were released to a warehouse other than Indy.
Okay.
That we call that as outside warehouse.
Okay.
Any warehouse other than Indy, we call it as outside warehouse.
But this process is not immediately after creating an order, right? The one which you are going to show. Or
It's not immediate to
that.
order, but it's after releasing of order.
Ah, okay. So that billing batch has already run. That is the assumption.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. As usual, this WMS order download interface is outbound interface from OTC, that is order to cash, to WMS, and this interface SQL is not open. And this WMS order download interface carries the information of the order which were released to a warehouse. It might be any warehouse, whether it is Indy or any other warehouses also. It carries that released order information to WMS. It populates the data in a intermediate staging table. The details and all I'll explain you. And this this interface not only carries the order, whatever the released order information, but it also carries the information of inventory transfers also, which is inventory transfers is nothing but ITRs, we call it as. As Bindu might have told you.
Inventory transfer she did not cover,
She
right?
didn't cover.
Inventory transfer.
Bindu covered it.
She has covered.
She covered? She just
Transfer.
said something, right? But she didn't show it on the screen or something.
Transfer from one
One to the
screen. is
Oh,
there.
on screen she showed.
Screen
Correct,
did
correct, correct.
We call it as inventory transfer. Generally, inventory transfer, this is kind of similar to print and binds. This print and binds will create the receipts for regular ISBNs. This is regular ISBN. And this ITRs will create for BOM ISBNs. Okay. This BOM is associated with some BOM components. If you want to increase the credit, if you want to increase the usable balance for the components, we need to create print and bind receipts. If you want to increase usable balance for BOM ISBNs, then we have to create ITRs. Okay? ITR, we need to create ITRs for the BOM ISBNs in the create maintain inventory transfer screen. There you will create this ITRs for the BOM ISBNs, and then through order download interface, it flows to WMS. So this order download interface carries the released order information and also this ITR information. So once this ITR information goes to WMS, the WMS team, that is nothing but Indy team, will process this ITRs and they'll send the transactions to OTC. They are like for BOM, both for BOM and BOM components. Okay. For these ITR transactions, they'll send the information of rec transaction, we call DEC transaction. Okay, for BOM ISBN, they'll send the rec transaction, and for BOM components, DEC transaction. That means the usable balance, whatever the available quantity of the BOM component, they'll decrease and they'll increase the BOM usable balance of BOM components. So here for BOM, the usable balance will be increased and increased, and for BOM components, the usable balance will be decreased when the ITRs was processed by NDT. So this is the whole process of ITRs. So again, this order information, both order and ITR information flows to WMS via this one staging table. There are 3 staging tables for this interface. One is header table, and second one is detail table, and third one is comment table. The 3 tables, the data will flow to WMS. This is the mappings and all. This is the processing logic. First of all, the main functionality is that the OTC system first of all picks the order line. This order line is a table. It's a base table actually. The system, whenever this interface has run, it will pick up. It will goes to the order line base table, and it checks for the records with order line dot line status. That is, the line status is a column, a field of this table. So this OTC system will pick up the records from order line table with line status is equals to released. That means those are the order lines which were released were picked up by this interface. And after the record is successfully processed, this is the field one. There is one field name. Okay. Interface to warehouse indicator. This is one field in the base table. Okay, before running of this order download interface, it will be like M. After running of this order download interface, it will be processed and it will be set to Y. Okay, I mean, to explain that, the order download for that particular order line has already done. Okay. This is waste of time. And
so anywhere interface status table, it is like not existing.
It's not exist. I guess, I mean, while creation of this spec, maybe they thought of creating a table, but they did not implement it. Okay, this is about the order download interface. Let me show you the staging tables. I forgot to tell one thing. This, like I said earlier, this interface will both carries the information of indie orders. I mean, those orders which were released to indie and also to the outside warehouses. Okay, this is also contain 2 batches. One is OTC order download and second one is WMS order download. Once the OTC order download job runs, this OTC job will pick up all the records which were released to their respective warehouses and sends this information in this staging table. So that status of those records will be in entered status. Okay, and after that we need to run the WMS job. This WMS job only processes the records which were released to indie, keeping the remaining outside warehouses still in entered status. So in order to process that outside the orders which were released to outside warehouses, we need to run another job. It's called outside warehouse interface. It's one more job. It is just one job. Okay, in order to whenever this job, outside warehouse job, interface job has run, it will only process the orders other than indie. Okay, and it generates a file. This outside warehouse interfaces again, it's one more interface. I'll explain you in detail whenever that interface will be handled. Okay, this one, yeah. So this is the header table. In the header table, you will find the information of order ID, which is nothing but the reference number of your order, and the release number. Just a second, let me show you the screen. Alt tab. You said it works, right? It will only works for you, I guess. This is very funny.
So you want to copy that?
It's more easy. Okay, let's take one. This is the order reference number. In order reference, yeah, order reference number of your order, and this is release number. Release number is nothing but after in the release summary tab you will have this release number. Whenever this information will be only available once the order is released. Whenever a new order has been created, this information will be blank. Okay, this release information and all will be captured in this staging table, and the release type, cust ID, and all the PO number, ordered, date ordered, all the information will be available in this header table. And in the detail table you will have the ISBN information, that is nothing but the line items tab. Whatever the information that you have in the line items tab, this will be captured in the detail table. The table name is okay, this is the detail table. Here in the detail table you will have the ISBN, that is order line information with quantity and all. All this, all the orders which are in processed status in this staging table will be available in the WMS system. There you have to do the shipments. So if OTC order download job has done, then it will pick up the records and place it in these tables, in both the three tables with status entered. And whenever the WMS order download job runs, it will only process the orders which was released to Indiana warehouse, that is IN. Remaining the outside warehouse will be still in entered status. To process that outside warehouse orders, you need to run the outside warehouse interface. Okay, this is clear, right? So this is order download table. Here you have order information, that is reference number, and also item code, that is order lines and order line number, the inventory price of that particular ISBN, inventory type, pieces order, everything will be there in the detail table. And there is one more table, that is comment table. in this comment table, you'll have the comment information of the order. That is here, comments tab. Whenever you will, while creating any order, whether it is manual order or upload order or EDI order, if we provide the comment information in this comment tab, then these comments should flow to this table, and they should flow to WMS. Okay, and through shipment, these comments also need to populate in the invoice screen. After the shipment process, invoice will be generated, right? In the invoice information also, these comments should flow. So these are the comment. In the comment table, you'll have order ID and comment type of a comment and comment text. All the information will be captured in this table. So these are the three tables, and this is about the order download interface. If there is any any error, then this WMS job will mark those particular records to error. So you'll be only able to see the orders which was only in process status in the WMS system. Those orders which were errored in this staging table, you won't be able to find them in WMS system. And this processing, this is a mapping document. I guess you don't have any need to to validate each and every field, because it's already been tested and it's stable now. You just need to, before doing shipment, after creation of order, you need to run those billing jobs, and then you need to run this OTC order download job and WMS order download job, and then you need to process the shipment in the WMS system. And then there is one more interface, that is WMS shipment interface is there, that is inbound, that will take the shipment information from the WMS system and transfers to OTC. After that, invoice job will be run. That's the complete cycle of the order. So basically, this is very important. Before doing the shipments, you just make sure that these two particular jobs has been run and your orders were successfully processed in this table.
So can you show it in the OTC engine as well, the names of the jobs?
Yeah. Let me show. Actually, all these billing jobs will be like there are like three sets. Okay, one for AM Express, and second one for PM Express, and third one for day end. So you'll be able to recognize the day end. Generally, we run only day end jobs. 9.05 and the series that starts with 9. Okay, basically that is a day end. 7 is
based on the time you have to select the different job types here?
No, generally for our testing purpose we only use day end, but in the natural scenario, that is in the production, there are like three sets of jobs. In the AM, in the morning, the AM Express jobs will be scheduled, and during the afternoon or evening time, PM jobs will be scheduled, and day end will be scheduled at the end of the day. There are like specific conditions. I mean, in the AM Express jobs, the system only process those orders with status rush today and rush EDI AM, and in the PM it only process rush tomorrow orders with order status rush tomorrow. In the day end, it should process all the status, that is whether it may be rush EDI AM or rush today or rush tomorrow or regular or hold, anything will be processed in day end. So these are the two jobs, 9.05 and 9.06 is the day end order download jobs that you have to run. So this is about order download interface. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, or else I'll move to another interface.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's take one small interface, that is WMS order status. Okay, actually this WMS order status is a inbound interface. It's basically gives the information, gives the status which is available in the WMS, that is WMS nothing but in the system. Okay, and let's take one example.
Do you
Okay.
have the job names that we should run
For this interface?
once order is processed and it has a regular status, then there is we should run the job to get it to get the release, right? Release status.
Billing jobs.
Building jobs. Yeah.
Billing jobs. We don't have the names, right?
She didn't show it yet.
But she knows.
Yeah, that's.
Can you show the engine?
Yeah, let me. I'm showing you the day end jobs. Okay. After you, whenever you place an order in the create maintain order screen, first of all, if you want to get it released, then you need to first start with this job. That is 5.014. That is it's sales crediting job. Okay, first after completion of this job, you need to run 9.03, which is nothing but order pre-processing job. OTC release pre-process. This is the second job, and after completion of this job, you need to run 9.04, nothing but OTC release process. It's a release job. Come on. This is OTC release job, and then OTC download 9.05 OTC order download, and then 9.06, that which is nothing but WMS order download. This is the
shipment status.
Yeah, no, not shipped. This will flows to your released. This will takes your released orders to WMS system. There in the after completion of this 9.
Process.
After completion of this 9.06, that is WMS order download process, you need to log into WMS system and you need to do the shipments. After that, there are a couple of some other jobs which we need to run. So you understood, right?
Yeah.
So let's take this WMS order status interface. This is the inbound interface into order to cache. That means the data comes from WMS to OTC. So this is, I guess, this is the first inbound interface you have just started, and this interface will gives the information related to warehouse order status. So whatever your order, the status of your order in that WMS system, that is warehouse management system, that information will be taken by this interface. Okay, this is nothing to do with, I mean, there is not much, I mean, for this interface, but you will be able to just view the information in your create maintain order screen, and this information will be only available if your order or order line is in either released status or shipped status. Other than regular orders and all, you won't be able to find, because that information has not yet sent to WMS, right? So you won't be able to see this information. So let's take this, our order is in release status, okay, and line status is also released. You just go to that line and just click on that line and view warehouse status. Warehouse status, I mean current status of this particular order in WMS, that is warehouse management system, is open. That means it's still the shipment process has not yet been started for this order. Okay, this information this interface will carry. Okay, this order status. There is nothing much to tell about this. This interface contains only two fields.
So
One is
once
reference.
shipment process is completed, then we will run this job
Yeah.
to get the data.
Generally,
Right? Anytime we can run and see the status, what is there in WMS, right? We need not wait for shipment to happen.
No, it's
No, not
inbound,
shipment.
right? It's
Shipment
inbound,
is-
right? Basically inbound.
Yes.
it's
Shipment will be
basically
inbound.
inbound. It's not necessarily the shipment process needs to be done,
It's a
but
sync
it's
process.
just your order has sent to WMS, right? That time also you might run.
At any point of time, you run it to see what
What is the
happened
status?
to the
Status,
ones which
yeah.
went to WMS.
Status.
Actually, the shipment process is very lengthy process. That means it involves almost 4 to 5 kind of systems. Okay, you just, I mean, just user want to know like what is the current status.
It goes in the
Yeah.
status. To
Yeah.
get the status.
That the information it will carries. That information you will be able to view in this screen also. From view warehouse. Let me show you the another order which was released or shipped.
I got one doubt now. See, so far we saw only outbound where staging was involved, right?
Yeah. Here this is also staging
For
involved.
inbound also we have staging.
Yeah. I'll show you the table. All the interfaces which involve staging and couple of the GIS also involves pre-staging tables also.
Okay.
So now this is in shipped status, okay, in OTC. Let me check what is the warehouse status for this line. Build on host, that means shipment process is completed. Okay, this information will be available from this order status screen, and let me show you the detail. Let me show you the interface table for this. So these are, I mean, if you go through, these are the different warehouse status that will be available in warehouse management system. 010, that is open. This pre-cal, seed and verified, pre-cal, and process. These are the various shipment, I mean, various procedures that we need to follow in the shipment process. That you will be in detail explained in the shipment process. Table of view doesn't exist. I guess this interface doesn't have staging table, I guess. Let me check out. OTC INT stage. All the tables that exist in INT stage and INT pre-stage are everything is related to interfaces. I guess this doesn't have a staging table, I guess.
So directly it will come and see
Directly,
the screen,
yeah,
right?
in the screen only. So this completes this order status. Then what else you? Barrier disposition, inventory transaction, custom info, carrier info. This can't be handled right now. Then done.
We covered all the WMS interfaces,
No.
so, right?
Outbound.
Outbound.
Outbound is covered. Yeah, this ends with the outbound, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, all the outbound interfaces, WMS interfaces have been covered and completed. There are all remains the inbound. This return transaction is also inbound, carrier information, customs info, inventory balance, inventory transaction, pallet disposition and receipt status and shipment. All these are inbound information, inbound interfaces that I'll discuss. I mean, after the shipment process and inventory receipts has started.
Mostly work with these jobs every day.
Yeah.
This is the main.
Yes. Yeah. You have to work with this, all these interfaces, WMS related. Mostly you have to use this. One is order download, and then shipment, receipts, and inventory balance, and inventory transactions and return transactions.
We haven't covered that.
Yeah, you have just done with WMS order download, and all the remaining jobs were like inbound. After the shipment process or receipt information which was processed in WMS, you have to run this inbound interface. Can you just show me the interface?
In this,
Yeah, other than this we can't start this.
what about GS?
GIS is also like complete order information. After that I'll be able to. This also just scroll down.
She was saying yesterday, like, want to take a break and then she'll start again because
Yeah.
something else which can be covered, right?
Nothing. That's it.
That's it?
That's it. So today, like what is covered in order module?
It's creation of order.
Creation of order and preconditions also.
And
Yeah,
preconditions,
preconditions.
yes.
Then that's it on the
And then tomorrow onwards you'll not be continuing, right? Till we finish, till the
shipment process. I'm not sure. I'll check with other team members and Shiva. Then I'll let you know
Something
like what.
missing.
Sorry?
Don't have the access. Can we see the shipment process?
No, you have down VNC viewer is there, right?
Yeah, but
You have
I
downloaded.
want that credential.
It's, I mean, no one has credentials. We have
No,
to
not
have-
credentials. From this remote, they need to you need to access that IP, right?
Yeah, you
It's a
won't be
remote
able
server.
to.
You are not able to access that.
Okay, then
That maybe there may be any firewall settings like that. I think maybe. Search in Google actually.
maybe in that case you need to work on our systems only.
From here we can't access, here we can access, right?
VNC viewer, yeah, if you have VNC, but server, I'm not sure
No,
whether.
we have that number.
You can just check that if it is working, it's working.
No, it's still
10.186.72.8.
Nothing hard in this. We are getting unable to connect the host to some.
Actually, you don't worry on the shipments because the complete perfect documentation is available.
The one you covered with the screenshot, VNC view or step by step.
Yeah, there is a very big document is
Yeah,
there.
we can we see? It's there.
You document.
Yeah, it's there.
Is that
Yes.
okay?
But
Where is
did
that?
Did you connect already on?
It's a VPN only. Yeah.
So if you open that PCF file in that VPN, is there an entry for this IP or not? We have to check.
Okay.
So I don't know whether it's there or not.
So, Vandana, can you send that notification? The time.sh in Google and we got some there.
No, but it's very easy. You can send your PCF file to her.
Okay.
Okay, in that PCF file when you match, no, whatever entry is there for that particular server name, you just copy paste it. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'll
That should
check,
work.
yeah, I'll check on. That's it for today.
Okay.
See you on Monday.
Thanks a lot.
Have a
Yeah,
nice
thank you. Thank you, and same to you. Bye.
Bye.